Hi everyone, kumusta mo tanan? I am Xerxes and I am a certified essential oil specialist here in Cebu, Philippines, and I'm currently enrolled for my certification in aromatherapy level 1 with Aromahead Institute. Now for today, I will show you how I create my own blend of bug spray or insect spray for that matter. I just want to get rid of mosquitoes, spiders, bugs, fleas, flies, anywhere here in my unit. So I will do a DIY, and I have a PET bottle. Actually, this is just like recycled, so I'm gonna use it. It's good to recycle things, right? So this is a PET bottle, so it's good with essential oils. And I have here a dispersant, or what we call also as a soluble. So it's polysorbate 80. So this would allow the essential oils to be actually mixed well with water. So since we are using an oil and water mix, we need to have a soluble, or what we call as a dispersant. And this one is polysorbate 80. And I got this here in a local chemical store, or what do you call that. They're also selling essential oils, but this one is non-ionic emulsifier, and I could use this. It's very safe at all. So I'm gonna use this as my soluble that will solubilize my essential oils, okay, so that it will perfectly mix with water. And I also prepared 5 essential oils in here, which is perfect for my insect spray blend. So I have here citronella. Okay, I know that citronella is perfect for mosquitoes and other bugs as well. I have also tea tree, is also perfect for fleas. And I have cinnamon, of course, for spiders. And peppermint. I know peppermint. Ants don't want peppermint or don't like the smell of peppermint, as well as other fleas. And I also have orange in here. Okay, so orange is also perfect for some fleas and to get rid of. And so I will show you how I mix them. Okay, so are we ready? So I have a PET bottle in here. It's already clean. So I'm gonna add the soluble. Okay, pretty much I just need around, since it's 60 ml or 2 ounces, I just need I think around 5 ml, or just like around 10% of it or 5% of it, just enough to dissolve or mix well with the essential oils that I'll be adding. So 60 ml, I'm gonna do a 3% dilution, but more or less around 24 to 25 drops of essential oils in total. So let us start. Okay, so let us just mix this. So just need to squeeze it. It's like a heavy liquid, so it's getting there. So I just need a few, usually if you're gonna do soluble, it's just like around 20% of the mixture, up to 20%. So if you have 60 ml, so perhaps around 5 ml or 10 ml. Okay, let me push further. Okay. So I think we need this amount. And if you could see it. All right, so this is good already. So what I'm gonna do is I will add 5 drops of citronella. Okay, we all know that citronella is perfect for mosquitoes and bugs, so I'm gonna use this 5 drops of citronella direct to the bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 drops of citronella in here. Next, I'm gonna do 5 drops of tea tree. I'll explain further. For the dilution, I have a calculator, an auto calculator that you could use. So I'm gonna put the link down below in here. It's on my website, so you could easily check on that, click on that link, so that you'll be guided on how much dilution you have to do. For example, if you're making a massage oil or a linen spray or a inhaler or something like that. There is like an auto dilution calculator that I created, so the link is just below. It makes life easier for all of us, I guess. So I'm gonna add tea tree. All right, so 5 drops of tea tree. Okay, 5 drops of tea tree. Oops. Next, I'm gonna add 4 drops of cinnamon. I already listed my recipe in here in a small notebook, and this is also required in our school. So 5 drops or 4 drops of cinnamon. This is from Plant Therapy. You know, with cinnamon bark, guys, we have to be very careful because this is like a very hot oil, and we don't want to mess this one up. So do not blow it or do not apply it direct in your skin because it's really I have a bad experience with cinnamon bark, but I just want to be very careful using this oil. So I'm gonna give 4 drops of cinnamon bark. This is perfect for spiders. One, 2, 3, 4. Oops, that's 5, but that's fine. Okay, put the cover. Now, let me give 4 drops of peppermint because ants don't like peppermint. Okay, and I have issues with ants in here in my unit, so I'm gonna add 4 drops of peppermint. It smells good already. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's 4 drops of peppermint. This one is from doTERRA. And I'm gonna add orange. Orange is actually perfect for cockroach and other fleas and other flies and mosquitoes. So I'm gonna add 6 drops of orange. Okay. Smells so good. So because it would also serve as a room spray. So it's a 2-in-1. Room spray and insect spray. So I just want to have that sweet smelling, aroma if I'm gonna spray it all over, especially in my bathroom. So 6 drops. 1, 4, 5, 6. Oops, that came fast. But yeah, I think this is perfect. I think I have a total of 25 drops, which is good. So let's just give it a swirl. Okay. So this would allow our essential oils to be dispersed and mix well with water. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, can't help it. So this time I'm gonna add a distilled water. So I have in here. So we'll just add it here. Just put it here. Okay. Alright, so just about there. Okay, so you could see there is like a commotion going on in there. Let me just put the spray cover. Okay, if you could see, alright, it's like slowly dispersing or mixing well, but I'm gonna give it a little shake, or what do you call that, spray. So it's like an aloe vera gel. Okay, let's just do it like this. Alright, so this would allow our mixture of essential oils to be dispersed well with water. Because we all know that oil and water don't mix well together. So at least we're gonna use the soluble, which is this one, so that our essential oils will be properly dispersed. So I guess this is it. This is already our room spray and insect spray. Let me just spray it. Okay, get rid of the mosquitoes. Smells so good. Alright, so I think we're good, guys, and I will be showing you another video, which is creating a personal inhaler for a friend of mine, and I'm gonna show it to you in a short while. So there you go, guys. If you feel that you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Alright, give me a thumbs up and like this video too, because again, I'll be doing separate videos or a lot of videos about essential oils. So don't forget to click that notification button up there so that you will get notified in case I will upload new videos. Alright, so and thanks for watching, and all together, let's get oily. Goodbye.